Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll show you how to make earrings. Yes, earrings again, because I like to show you how to make easy and beautiful earrings. I have many ideas for earrings, and guys, I hope you will like my ideas. So support me, give me big thumbs up and subscribe on my channel, and let's start. Roll out polymer clay and cut out the form of circle. Need to bake it in oven. After baking, I polish the sides. Take such bugle. I crush them with hammer. Put epoxy resin and crushed bugle. Also, I took such silver beads. By the way, they are edible. They use for decorate cake, but need to cover them with glue or resin, because if left like this, the paint will wear off. Need to wait until the resin will be dry. Cut out the form of earring. This is gold foil for gilding. I put it on the surface. Bake all details in oven. Take large sea salt, add soft pastel and sparkles, and water a little bit. Friends, I hope everything is clear for you. If you have any questions, please write in comments. Need to wait until the resin will be dry. And make last earrings. Make a foam. Color it with acrylic paint. Push beads into the surface. Bake in oven. And after, I paint the other side with acrylic paint and cover it with finish varnish. Friends, big thanks for watching and big thanks for your support. Your support is really important for me because everything what I do it for you, my dear friends, and see you in next video. Bye!